moment by moment, Cape vultures are on patrol. Food is everywhere. Almost no rain has fallen for 2 months, and both land and creatures are stressed. Each death summons the aerial undertakers. This bird of prey never kills. Instead, vultures rely on scavenging for food and are affectionately known as the cleanup crew. Their grisly work is essential to the health of the whole ecosystem, clearing death and disease with each mouthful. In the dry, lions are spoiled for choice. The vultures can only watch and wait for the leftovers. Finally, the lions are so bloated they can barely move. The vultures pluck up the nerve to reclaim the table. The birds' highly acidic stomachs are able to digest skin and sinew and bone. Its calcium strengthens the vulture's light flight bones, and its minerals help produce strong eggs. Pairs bond for life, produce 1 egg each year, and take turns on the nest.